Is your Google Chrome browser blocking important pop-ups like payment pages, downloads, or the login windows? In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome and how to safely use it in few simple steps. In your Google Chrome browser, here we have the pop-ups and redirect settings. If you go ahead and enable sites can send pop-ups and use redirects, this will allow all of the websites to send you the pop-ups and use redirects. Let's see how to navigate to this setting. On right top of your Google Chrome browser, click on these three dots, navigate to settings. In settings, we want to navigate to privacy and security, scroll down and then click on site settings. In the site settings, again scroll down and click on pop-ups and redirect. Also, if you go ahead, copy and paste this URL into your Google Chrome browser, this will directly take you to this page. To get this URL, just go ahead and copy it from the video description. Now here we have two options. The first one, we already enabled that all of the sites can send us the pop-up and use redirects. The most safer option we could use is don't allow sites to send up the pop-ups or use redirects. Once we select the second option, we have few customized behavior here. If you scroll a little down, you could add the website that could never send you a pop-ups. I don't have added any website here. The next option we have is allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects. Here we could add the website that we want to send us the pop-up or redirects. You could see here I've added few websites here. Now let me quickly show you that what will happen if we select this second method. Let me open a new tab. I want to open test pop-up website. Now let's test the pop-up. Once I click over the pop-up, here I got two options. Always allow pop-ups and redirects from this specific website. And the second option we have continue blocking. Now it's up to you if this is important website and you want to allow pop-up for this site, just go ahead and click on always allow pop-ups and redirects from this website and click on done. Now, if you go back in the settings, here you will see your required website is added in the allowed list. So that's it about today's quick and to the point video on how to disable pop-up blocker from Google Chrome browser. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe ITPK and I will see you in the next one.